My waffle bits came today from Ready Made RC, and let's find out what's inside. I've never actually ordered waffle bits before, nor have I done quad box or what's the other one, drone drop. So this is my first time with one of these surprise boxes. So I'm a little apprehensive, wondering if it actually made any sense to do this. Let's see, what do we got? Oh, I got a left hand cloverleaf antenna with no connector whatsoever. Not really familiar with soldering those. Oh well. Ah, 4045s. This is actually handy. I ordered one of the what was it, the Vortex 180s that they had that wacky sale on Amazon. So I got a 4-inch Vortex that needs 4045s, so that's great. We got 5050s, definitely. Let's see, what's this, another antenna? Yep, we got a fox ear right hand antenna. That's alright. What is this? A USB charging adapter. Huh. Well, it looks like you plug in a battery. It's got a, what is this, a Dean's? I don't know what this is. And you can, and you get 5 volts out on the USB, so you charge your phone, I guess, in the field, or whatever. This is a Free Sky sensor hub, but, alright. Strix 5040s. I hope there's, whoa, a frame. Is this a 3-inch? Yeah, it's an RMRC Newt 3-inch, cut pretty badly. I need a lot of filing. Boy, that is a delicate looking frame for 3-inch. Interesting. I got wings. Okay. Huh? What is it? Is it a plane? Parts of a plane? More 5040s. Huh. 3035s. I have the only 3-inch I fly right now. I'm flying 3052s, but oh, more Strix props. 5040s. 5045. 5045 with these 5040s? Oh no, these are 5045. Okay. 5050s and 5045s. I got it. What do we got here? More 4045s. Awesome. Ah, brushless motors for my alien whoop. Excellent. I don't know what this is. Well, it's something to add an accessory to the transmitter. Probably not anything. I got more props. 5050s. 5050s. Something from Video Aerial Systems. It has no mark, no indication whatsoever what it is. Oh, what is this? What is this? What is it? It's a Strix hanger. Oh, it looks like a brushless frame, a whoop frame. So I got Strix motors and a whoop frame, and a 2.5mm fox ear lens if I wanted to go to 2.5mm. A Strix Pagoda. Left hand. Nice, I might give that a shot. Another Strix Pagoda. Left hand. Sweet. Oh. Thumb sticks, you know, to put on your controller. Maybe I'll give them a shot. Not sure if I we'll like them or not since I pinch. More 40-45s. All right. Yeah. 40-45s. Hey. Beats me. Oh, what is this? This is heavy. Neon rope light. Red neon lights. Blue, green, and white. For my tiny whoop, of course. And something. What are these? 3x2 props. But they don't bolt on. These are push-on props. Maybe for the newt, or maybe maybe these are for that Strix frame. I don't know. What do we got here? An Arrow LED board. Cool. FPV Fest Bros Beer. Stickers. Stickers. Pin. 30-45s. 40-45s. Ooh. What are these? Glitter glue sticks? Seriously? Ooh. I'm not sure where I'd use that. Gosh, I don't know what you do. What is this? Sorry. This looks like a camera mount for a tiny whoop. Another arrow-shaped LED board. Oh, what's in here? What's in here? Maybe this. Oh, cool! Look at this. It's a micro-sized camera with a very tiny VTX with an antenna on it. 25 milliwatt VTX. Maybe this is for building the whoop. Battery strap, I guess. Oh, last thing. Dun, dun, dun. Another sticker. Sphinx. I'm not familiar with that brand. I want to take a look at this. Is this just a frame? Let's see. Oh, it's not. It's just the box. There's nothing in it. Oh, it's a Strix hanger. It's a hanger, meaning it's a place to put your tiny whoop. All right, so the alien whoop will go in here. So not too bad. I love the props. I'm happy with the brushless motors. This little hanger thing is cool. Alrighty. See ya.